Hi everyone, Attorney Poonam Minhas back with another informational video about U.S. immigration law, and today's topic is going to be alternatives to detention, which is a program that was introduced by ICE, and you've probably been hearing about it a lot lately because it's on the news. USCIS is talking about it, or someone you may know has been introduced to it or enrolled in this program. So what does it mean? Let's break it down slowly, and I also want to mention that I will be referring to this program as ATD throughout this entire video. So alternative to detention is going to be simplified as ATD. Okay, so what's detention and what does it mean to ICE? Detention was actually created to make sure that the non-immigrant does not pose a safety risk to a broader or a larger and wider community of non-immigrants, and that non-immigrant is also going to appear at any immigration proceedings that come up after their release. So a lot of times people think, oh my God, is this alternatives to detention or ATD new? It's actually not. It was first introduced by ICE in 2004. I've noticed that under the Biden administration it's being heavily utilized because they want to speed up the immigration proceedings since there's such a big backlog with immigration court. Now, if you or someone you may know has been apprehended at the port of any entry on or after May 28, 2021, and you've been placed in removal proceeding and enrolled in ATD, you are now entering a zone called a dedicated docket. But me and my colleagues like to call this rocket docket. So if all the three things apply, remember, let's break it down. On or after May 28, 2021, you've been apprehended, plus you are enrolled in the ATD program, and you have now entered removal proceedings, you're under the dedicated docket. So what does that mean? We like to call it rocket docket. That means your proceedings are going to be decided as quick as 300 days after your master hearing. So it's going to be zip, zam, zoom, like literally rocket docket. That's what we like to call it. And if you have any questions about this, it's very, very important that you contact us to discuss what your options are, and to be well prepared for your upcoming hearing. You should sit down, get your case evaluated to figure out what your options are and what you can do. You have to be ready in court. Now, there's about 10 cities that are utilizing this program, and just 5 on the top of my head would be Denver, Miami, Los Angeles, Newark, and New York City. And there's 5 more cities that are operating under this type of program. So again, if you hear ATD, if you hear alternatives to detention, then you know what you need to do. Contact an experienced immigration attorney. You can give us a call at 646-702-3460 to learn more about this program and what it entails. So thank you for coming back to watch this video, and as promised, I told you I was going to talk about this topic. I can add more depth into this. We can talk about this more, but this is just the basics of what to expect if you are enrolled in this program, if you've been apprehended after the date that I indicated, and also you've entered into removal proceedings. So if you're expecting, oh, we're going to come into the country and we're going to wait years and years. Nope. Under this particular section, you will not be able to wait it out for many years. Like I said, the judge, depending on what city you're in, has to make a decision within 300 days after the master hearing occurs. So get your case evaluated, and if you have any questions, you can give us a call, or you can even fill out a form on our website to schedule a consultation.